Hey, what's up beauty fam? I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial on how you can unban your Snapchat account using this app which is Snapchat Plus Plus. So I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial on how to install this app and how to unban your device. So I'll just see, this is my ID and I'll just unban my device. So I've entered the password and see within one click my device, my account is unbanned. So if you have a banned Snapchat account, you can easily unban your Snapchat account. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the Snapchat Plus Plus mod application which looks quite similar to the Snapchat one. So let's see how to use it. So when you click on the application, it shows quite similar interface. All you have to do is just enter your user ID and password and you are all set to unban your account. You are all set to use this Snapchat account and you can use it normally as your original Snapchat account. So let's see the steps on how to download the application. So first, all you have to make sure is click on settings and then you have to go down all the way to the battery section and make sure that the low power mode is off. Because if it's on, you will have some trouble to download the application, and then you have to go all the way up and you have to enter the general section in the settings, then click on background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is on either on Wi-Fi mode or on Wi-Fi and cellular data. So make sure these settings are done perfectly, otherwise you won't be able to download the application and you will face a lot of trouble if this section is off. So make sure your background app refresh is always on. Then you have to go all the way to the about section in your settings. So just click on that and enter into iOS version. So make sure your iOS device is updated. It should be iOS 17 or above. Also make sure that your iOS device should be greater than iPhone 11 and the above versions of that. Then only you will be able to use the application perfectly. So make sure your iOS device is updated and you have an iPhone 11 or above versions. And then you are all set to unban your Snapchat account. And I'll show you within just one click you can easily unban your account. All you have to do is just enter your user ID. So you can see here's my user ID on screen, and after entering your password I can easily unban my device by just clicking on this button. And after I click on this button unban device, my account is easily unbanned and I can use it as my normal OG Snapchat account. I can add a story, connect with my friends and use this as my normal Snapchat account in this Snapchat Plus Plus mod application. And here's how I downloaded it. So with the help of ristud.com you can easily access all the mod applications including Snapchat Plus Plus. So I'll highly recommend you visit this website and install mod application of Snapchat Plus Plus and you can easily unban your account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Goodbye.